Hello guys, this is my first ever YouTube channel and here we will try to learn different things for all competitive exams. So first ever I would like to start with countries, capitals and currency because this is very important topic and often asked in many competitive exams. So without any ado, let's start with the video. The first country we have Australia. Its capital is Canberra, currency is Australian dollar. Next, Afghanistan, capital is Kabul, currency is Afghani. Guys, I would like to suggest that learn capital and currency hand by hand. If you try to learn capitals in one go and then currency, you will get confused. So I will suggest you to learn capital and currency hand by hand. So next we have Algeria. Its capital is Algiers. Currency is dinar. Argentina. Buenos Aires. Currency is peso. Austria. This is Austria. The before we have started with Australia and this is Austria. Austria's capital is Vienna and currency is euro. Next up we have Bangladesh, capital Dhaka, currency is taka. Very easy because Bangladesh is one of our neighbor. Belgium, city of Brussels, currency euro. Brazil, Brasilia, Brasilia, real. Canada, Ottawa, Canadian dollar. China, Beijing, yuan. Cuba, Havana and Cuban peso. Cambodia, Phnom Penh and Cambodian rial. Cyprus, Nicosia, euro. Denmark, Copenhagen and Curren. Egypt, Cairo and Egyptian pound. Estonia, Tallinn and Kron. Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, Ethiopian beer. Ecuador, Kyoto and United States dollar. France and Finland. France capital is Paris, Finland capital is Helsinki. Both currency is euro. Next up we have Fiji. Is Cuba, Fijian dollar. Germany and Greece. Germany's capital is Berlin, Greece capital is Athens and both currency is euro. Ghana, capital is Accra, currency is Ghana cedi. Guernsey, St. Peter Port and currency is Guernsey pound. Gambia, capital is Banjul and currency is Gambian dalasi. India, we love our country. So India's capital is New Delhi and currency is Indian rupee. Indonesia, the capital is Jakarta and currency is Indonesian rupiah. Iran, capital is Tehran and currency is rial. Iraq, capital is Baghdad and currency is Iral dinar. Next up we have Ireland and Italy. Ireland capital is Dublin, Italy's capital is Rome and both currency is euro. Israel, capital is Jerusalem, currency is Israeli new shekel. Japan, capital is Tokyo, currency is Japanese yen. Jamaica, capital is Kingston, currency is Jamaican dollar. Jordan, capital is Amman, currency is Jordan dinar. Kenya, capital is Nairobi, currency is Kenyan shilling. Kuwait, capital is Kuwait city, currency is Kuwaiti dinar. Here I would like to add one more thing. that there is also a country, also a city named Betsin city. That is the smallest city in our world. So note it down. This is also important. Next up we have Korea. Capital is Seoul. Currency is South Korean won. This Korea is South Korea. Next Malaysia. Capital is Kuala Lumpur. Currency is Malaysian ringgit. Mexico. Mexico city capital and Mexican peso is currency. Malta. Valletta capital. Maltese lira currency. Nigeria. Abuja and Nigerian naira. Netherlands. Amsterdam euro. Norway. Oslo Norwegian krone. New Zealand. Wellington New Zealand dollar. Nepal. Kathmandu Nepalese rupee. Nepal is also our neighbor. Namibia, Namibia, Windhoek and Namibian dollar. Pakistan, Islamabad, Pakistani rupee. Pakistan is also our neighbor. Peru, Lima, Peruvian Nuevo Sol. Portugal, Lisbon euro. Russia, Moscow Russian ruble. Romania, Bucharest, Bucharest, Romanian leu. Sweden, Stockholm, Swedish krona. Switzerland, Brain, Swiss franc. Sorry. Sweden, Stockholm, Swedish krona. Switzerland, Brain, Swiss franc. Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhanapura Kote and Sri Lankan rupee. Here, Sri Lanka also have one more capital named Colombo. Please note it down. Spain, Madrid and euro. Thailand, Bangkok, Thai baht. Taiwan, Taipei, New Taiwan dollar. Turkey, Ankara, Turkish lira. United Kingdom, London pound. United States, Washington DC. United States dollar. Uruguay, Montevideo and Uruguayan dollar. Venezuela. Here we have Angel Falls is also in Venezuela. Caracas is its capital and Venezuela Bolivar is its currency. Yugoslavia, Belgrade and Yugoslav dinar. Zimbabwe, Harare and Zimbabwean dollar. Last country we have Zambia, Lusaka, Zambian Kawacha. Hope you like it. Please like if you find it interesting, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.